Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to make image background on a black and white look using Google Pixel mobiles. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to black and white the background. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom side. Tap on the edit option. Here you can see the options unblur, dynamic portrait, etc. Scroll down towards the option towards right to reach the color pop option. Tap on the color pop option. Now the background of this image is changed into black and white. By doing this, you can make the background black and white on any images. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.